This is Western Mass News.
Just last week, the CDC approved a new COVID-19 booster shot for all Americans 6 months and older. The rollout of these vaccines started as soon as it was approved. Thanks for joining us, everyone, on this Tuesday. Welcome to Western Mass News at 5. I'm Chris Pisano. Even though it was approved, though, patients looking to get it may be experiencing delays, even cancellations in their appointments. Western Mass News reporter Daniel Santiago getting us answers tonight. He joins us live in studio with the details. Daniel.
Chris, the updated vaccines by Pfizer and Moderna are already available in some locations, but as you say, others are experiencing issues with delivery. This as hospitals see an uptick in COVID-19 cases.
COVID-19 is on the rise, and so the guidance hasn't changed. Wear your mask, watch your distance, and wash your hands.
As we get closer to fall and winter, the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention, or CDC, is recommending a new COVID-19 booster shot for all who qualify and are 6 months or older, especially as vaccination rates drop. Data from the CDC shows that in Massachusetts, only 32% of the population has been keeping up to date with all vaccines and boosters to fight against COVID-19. Those across Western Mass looking to get the vaccine can start to make appointments at their pharmacy of preference. Delivery delays, on the other hand, may be causing longer wait times.
Currently, we do not have the latest booster shot. It has not been given to the Department of Public Health for the state to supply us. Also, many pharmacies do not have a supply yet.
That's the case for AJ Desai.
Here at the pharmacy, we'll be getting anywhere between the 22nd and the 29th.
Desai is the pharmacy manager at West Springfield Pharmacy and Wellness. He tells Western Mass News that the process of getting the vaccines ready for patients can be lengthy, but he's trying to work quickly to avoid any more unnecessary delays.
We work with McKesson. They're one of the largest, if not the largest, wholesalers in the country for pharmaceuticals. So we can get them pretty quickly, usually overnight, depending on availability. So if the demand increases, we are able to address the demand.
In bigger brand pharmacies like CVS, appointments and vaccines available depend on supply. Amy Thibault, the lead director of communications for CVS Pharmacy, tells Western Mass News in a statement in part, "We're receiving updated COVID-19 vaccines on a rolling basis, and the majority of our locations are able to honor scheduled appointments. However, due to delivery delays to select stores, some appointments may be rescheduled."
Springfield Health Commissioner Colton Harris also tells us that once the State Department of Public Health notifies her of when the vaccines will be available, a distribution plan will quickly follow. Now, coming up at 6, we're getting answers about how those who may not have health insurance can still get this COVID-19 booster without having to pay. Reporting live in studio, Daniel Santiago, Western Mass News.